Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 4th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a quick look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, the Aussie and the Kiwi dollar both took a big pump and dump over the last day. Big moves. Definitely had to change my analysis up a little bit on the higher time frames because this is definitely not maintaining impulsive movement to the upside. Instead of this first push up being a wave one, it probably is actually a wave A. This move down is probably the A of B. This is probably three waves for the B of B. We're probably either going to make a running ABC, which would possibly go down to one of these higher fib levels and then turn back up for a wave C, or we're going to make it more of an expanding ABC, which I think is actually less likely, and which would go down to one of these fib levels and then turn up for a big wave C. Either way, it doesn't look like a 1, 2, 3 anymore. It definitely looks like an ABC. So, anyways, taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I think that we need to pay attention to the 100%, but probably more importantly, we need to pay attention to the 123 and the 138 for a possible running ABC correction, like I showed on the daily for wave C. Either way, though, I would expect to see more movement. Whether it makes a pullback or not, I guess is we're gonna have to wait and see. If it does make a pullback, that would be great news for us because that should give us more opportunities to go short, potentially for the continuation of this big wave C, probably a wave C of B, either an ABC running or an ABC expanding, like I showed on the daily. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.